Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the complete track catch finally structure in JavaScript. We'll see how to catch errors, handle them gracefully, and always run cleanup code no matter what. Let's dive into this practical and powerful error handling pattern. Let's build a function to divide two numbers. Sometimes the input might not be valid or the divisor could be zero. We'll use try to run the code, catch to handle errors, and finally to run cleanup logic no matter what happens. This function checks the types and values of x and y. If either is invalid, it throws an error using throw. The catch block prints the error message. The finally block always runs, printing a cleanup message. First, the function tries to divide the values. If anything goes wrong, we catch the error and print it, whether there is an error or not. The finally block runs last. This is where you can do cleanup like closing files or clearing logs. We tested three cases: valid numbers, zero divisor, and wrong data type. In each case, the finally block ran and showed the cleanup message. This proves that finally executes no matter what the outcome is. It's perfect for wrapping things up cleanly. Finally, is super useful for things like closing files or resetting UIs. You can release memory, stop timers, or finalize logs. It ensures your app stays stable and efficient. Using it makes your code more professional and reliable. To sum it up, try runs your main logic, catch handles anything that goes wrong, and finally guarantees a final step, no matter what. This pattern is essential for writing clean and defensive JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.